Welcome to How to Solve.
Hi there. Have you always wanted to wake up with Spotify music? Good news. In today's video, that's what I'm going to show you. Let's go. I actually just found out an amazing application a few weeks ago for waking up with Spotify music. Now, as you can see here, I am on my iPhone. If you go into the clock and you want to put an alarm, you go into plus and then you select the time. I'm going to go and wake up at 9:30 and then I'm going to choose a random sound. You can also choose a custom one. You just have to click it in here and most of us don't really have a lot of songs on our Apple Music. Or the other thing that we can do is we can use Spotify Music, and the only way that we can create an alarm with a custom song using Spotify even without a podcast is actually through the help of an application which is called Morning. So the first thing that you want to do is go into the App Store and let's go ahead and hit on Morning Alarm. I'm going to go into search, so I will put Morning Wake Up. It's like the third option in here. You can also get this application using the free trial mode of 3 days once we have the application downloaded. I'm just going to go ahead and open it. Now we can set the alarm. It says here we can set allow maybe from 9:20. I'm going to go ahead and start that. As you can see, here are all my alarms, but I'm going to create a new one so you can see how this works. So I'll go and add a new one. I'll have my Spotify connector here. So if you have your Spotify connector, here you can choose whichever playlist you've listened to, or you can actually look out for a new song too using Spotify. So I'm going to go into Spotify using the morning application and I'm going to select into my playlist. So here we have 500 different songs. I'm going to select one and I'm going to go into settings, and all the default settings you can set it right here. You just need to go and click on done. Now it says keep the charger connected. So this app works correctly. Don't forget to activate your notification, guys, so the application can work correctly. You just need to slide to stop, and there you go, guys. It was really simple. We can actually create a new alarm using this and podcast too. So I'm going to go into Spotify podcast and you can select whatever episode you want. It's going to be a same thing here too. Really, really simple. I've used this application for more than 3 weeks now. I can say that this is really a thumbs up for me. And that's it. Very easy. Just a few steps. That's how we wake up with Spotify music.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.